Hello and welcome. Today we've got this really nice Fiat Campervan 4x4 conversion to show you. Very original inside, and this vehicle is available right now. It's a 2011 model, but it's been completely done up again. So I'll tell you the bad news immediately. It's 55,000 euros. There's a link below to where you can actually get it from, and let's have a look inside. So now I do appreciate that the color scheme in here is not to everyone's taste. That I can absolutely appreciate. So if you don't like the color scheme, then you're going to have to keep looking. But if the color scheme's okay, then this could be for you. So let's have a look inside. Now, as you can see up here at the front, we've got a raised area. This has been raised up like that. Now, this again, it may not be to everyone's taste. I really like that. I like the idea that I've got storage below the seating. And here, I'll open this one up here just to demonstrate. It's got some stuff in already, so you can keep sort of stuff in there. Normally, okay, the seats are raised up a little bit and you can put stuff in them, in there. Often there's a battery in there, but anyway, that's up to whatever you think. So this has come very well equipped. As you can see, there's a reversing camera, for example, which we'll see out the back. Table here. This is a 6-meter van, or the 599 centimeters long. We've got here a rather unusual sort of seat, which will come backwards. You can put it back if you want the sort of a different incline on it, make it a bit more comfortable. Up here we've got storage as well, so I'll just show you that. And at the moment it's got stuff in it. One thing I'm always going on about is the ledge at the bottom, but here we've got a net, so I think a net makes it much better. And right, coming to the back, well, not before we do that, let's have a look at the kitchen. There you are. So that's quite standard, but you've got a massive space here for preparing stuff should you want to. The fridge is down here. It's a two-way fridge, isotherm, a new fridge. That's what it looks like inside. Now into the washroom. So we've got some stuff here. If it was kept this stuff. Oh, there, I don't think that's very clear. Let's put the light on. Extractor fan. But look at the size of it. Bear in mind how big this, a 6-meter long van. You've got this enormous in here wet room. Obviously we've got some stuff here. This is the new cassette that's going to go in it. This is the special toilet paper that comes from Thetford. But look at the size of that. You may say that's far too big for such a small van, or you may say, oh, that's great. Right, coming to the back, we have got the bed and storage all the way around. Storage here. Now the electronics have been completely done up as well. It comes with solar, and the details will be in the description anyway of everything. There you go, you've got some glasses and some cleaning stuff up there. It's got pneumatic suspension, I'll show you that, out the back. And here we can see they've got the pneumatic suspension. Right, in here we've got this one gas bottle Sorry, it's on the other side. And there's the pump. And there's the one gas I mentioned. Oh, close that while I'm here. Up the top we have got a reversing camera. So 4x4, as you can see, Dangel, French company, and for those who might want to do some extreme off-road stuff, then this may be the vehicle to do it in. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. If you're interested, details are below. You've got the contact. It's very close to where I'm staying, the campsite I'm staying on. So if you wanted to come and see it, you could stay on our campsite. At the same time, it's very close by. But for the moment, it's all the best from me, just south of Wrocław, Poland.